Merry Christmas. Today I'm going to give you two trade alert and one example for each. How to know which stock is going to expose huge, and this two stock is going to expose huge. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset. And today I'm going to review the strategy, how to look for the crazy exposed stock. Okay, so click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And this trade alert, usually I post it to my student and also the subscriber for my indicator. And today I do it for free on my YouTube channel because I want to give you more content. Click like right now and join the email list. This is completely free information. Now we look at Tesla. So basically, we are looking at the 2-week chart. So now we look at this free indicator called RSI. Basically, from 2021 January to now, so basically about complete 3 year, we are battling with this trend line. So you can draw from the top, extend 2 points here, and then extend one line. You can see clearly we are still battling under this trend line here. Okay, so what is going on right now? So you can see we are in the downward trend. We are waiting it to go over this trend line, and then they will expose crazily. Okay, what happened is previously about 2002, 2013 to 2017, we are doing exactly the same movement. We are battling under this trend line. So let me enlarge to show you. So basically, you see the RSI from 2013 to 2016. So basically, how long is it? Almost 3 years something to battling within this under this trend line. Okay, so the price is going to sideways. It's a big resistance. So basically, what happened is when they go over this RSI here, basically is this candle, right? So boom, they go up, and then they have how much they go up all the way. So this is a very huge expose because this is a big timeline. Remember, from this to this one is about 87 week, which is 2 week, which is like about 40 something month. So it's a very big timeline that it battle under this. It's getting the power to accumulate the chips, and then before the big bull one, this is crazy bull one. Basically, if you bought here, okay, if you bought at this candle, that price is around $13. And then at the end, how much it go up? And then they go all the way up to 400. This is a huge percentage. What is the percentage here? You can see from 13 to here is 3,000%, 3,000%. Okay, so right now we are doing something very similar. Okay, so the price, we are battling from here down all the way down here. You can also see this market structure. This is a beautiful market structure compared to before. It's the same. Let me show you. So every single high point of the RSI, when they touch this trend line, we can draw a market structure. Let me show you how to do it. This is very good information. So when this high, we draw a trend line here, extend the trend line. When this touch the RSI high, we draw the trend line here. And then when they touch, we draw another trend line here, okay? So basically, they extend like this. When they go over this trend line, this is exactly really low point for 2-week chart, right? Really low point, rather than here, but it's here. So it's really, really low point. So, and then you buy, they pull back, but still it's okay to keep as long as they don't drop below this candle, okay? And then they have a big bull one. Now what is going on now? You can see we are also battling under this trend line. So we are about here. So now we are still battling. If you extend this trend line, you can see we are battling here. So this one would be huge. If they go over this, probably will go over this trend line. This is a downward trend line for 2-week chart. It's a big downward trend line. This downward trend basically from 2021. This is huge. If they can go over, basically it's confirmed this downward trend is over. And so confirm they have another big one. Okay, so it is a trade alert. If you haven't subscribed to my email list, subscribe to it, and I will give you more newsletter. And I don't do it on YouTube because YouTube have more restrictions. So I want to give you more. So join my email list and join also the indicator. You can unsubscribe anytime. So another trade alert, not trade alert, but another example I want to show you is ETH. ETH is doing exactly the same thing previously. For example, here, 2017 to 2020 basically is also battling under this trend line. Okay, this is 2-week chart. We can also draw the market structure. When it's high point, we draw one line out. When it is high point, we draw one line out. This is a resistance. When we are above this line, this is a support. For example, when we go above, this one become a support, you see? And then when we are under this line, this is a resistance. This is so easy. So basically, it is building a market structure. It's just like the Bitcoin is the same thing. It also build the market structure. Level 1, level 2, and level 3. So right now, what's going on? So it's 220 July. They go across this RSI trend line. So basically, they broke through this trend line, this resistance, and boom, start to have a big bull one. Okay, and then now we are building exactly the same thing. What is going on? This trend line is from 2021 February all the way to 2022 July. Okay, so basically it's building also another market structure here. Okay, so it's the same thing. The peak, we draw a line. 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 So it's very easy market structure. When we go across this, when we go above this, boom, go up, you will find something, we come down again, but it doesn't matter because it doesn't go all the way to our cut loss price. Basically, it's going up. And you can see it just go over this resistance also, this market structure. We are above this support line. So you can see there's so many body and the wick touch it and stop it right up at the line. You see it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So they use 13 body, for 13 candles to confirm this support and resistance line. So this is quite major thing for ETH. Okay. Another trade alert I want to give you. I mentioned 2 trade alert. This one is Apple. So it's for Christmas. I want to give you more. But again, back to the Tesla, we are still waiting it to go over this trend line. This one, the RSI. If you don't have my indicator, it's fine. But at least to click like and subscribe right now because I really studied so long this chart and then to get the conclusion. I hope you guys really enjoy it. I hope I can teach you more and share my knowledge more with you. And okay, so now the Tesla, I'm not saying this is a buying signal. It's not yet the buy signal. Remember, we are still battling with this trend line. Once they go across this is a confirmation. It's just like this trend line is the same thing. When we go across this RSI, basically they will go across this trend line also, most likely. Okay, so you have a double confirmation. This is so easy trade alert. Another one I want to show you is Apple. Apple, I will use another chart. Apple, I will use monthly chart for you to easier to see. Previously, when we back to 2012 September, it battled so long. How many months here? It also battled very long, like this one, 53 months. So 1,600 days, basically, they're battling under this trend line. This is crazy. It's over few years, basically. So what happened is they're building the market structure. You see, level 1, level 2, and level 3, and then they go all the way up. So now you can see here, when they go across this, This is one of the resistance as well. This is crazy, right? So this, when they go above this trend line on our side, there is a buy alert here, and boom, come back to reconfirm and go up all the way. Okay, so actually Apple give you so many different chance. They give you this chance, they give you another chance here, another chance here, another chance here, even here give you a chance for you to buy Apple. Okay, now Apple, what's going on here? One thing we need to be more alert is this is the price going up and the RSI is going down. This is a divergence. So basically, if we are still under this trend line, I won't look good for the long-term trend. Okay, it won't look good because this is a divergence. When the price go up, the momentum is going down. This is not good because it sounds kind of like a peak signal. Okay, so now we have the same thing happening. RSI is going lower and lower. We have a lower high here, and we have a higher high here. So it's going completely opposite direction. So what's going on now is if we cannot go over this trend line, basically it's a divergence. It's a bearish divergence. What happened is it would drop. It would drop huge. So we need it to go above this trend line to reconfirm. This is another start of the bull one. Okay, so this is a trade alert. It's not yet confirmed. It's not yet confirmed. So we really need to look at the chart closely on these two stocks if you want to make good money. So click like, subscribe, and share with your friend now. And I hope you enjoy this video. Remember, now we are having Christmas. I hope you guys have a very good season. Share happiness with your friend, with your family. Christmas is not about gift, but it's more about giving. And if you can do good things for other people, please do it. This is Christmas, and it's always good to give away something for your love or even for stranger. I like to do like donation to homeless people or do some food donation as well. And please, I hope you will do the same. And I see you in the next video. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend, and join my email list. And I will have another trade alert for the for trading as well. And I will only share in my to my subscriber or to my student, and also to the people who already joined the email list. So I see you in the next video. Everyone, Merry Christmas. Bye bye.